Thanks to the sleep timer in Windows 11, you don't have to worry about leaving your computer on all night. You can now set up the exact time you want your computer to sleep by going to Settings. So to get started, open your command prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command. But if 1 hour is not enough, multiply the seconds by the number of hours of your interest. Like for an example, 3600 for 1 hour, 7200 for 2 hours, 10,800 for 3 hours, and 14,400 for 4 hours. Now the S command indicates what your computer needs to do, and the T command is for the time. Additionally, you'd also create a shortcut to activate Sleep Timer. You can do this by right-clicking on an empty area of your desktop, click New, followed by the shortcut option. Then add this command for an example, and this will ask you to type the location of your shortcut. Once done, add a name, and then click the Finish option. So that's all there is to it, and you no longer have to worry about leaving your computer on more time than it should. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.